What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 8.0 up to iOS 9.3.6 onto any 32-bit iOS device. So let's get started. If you watched my previous video, I showed you how to downgrade the iPhone 4S from iOS 9.3.6 to iOS 6.1.3 and I showcased a WebKit exploit by the name of Carbon. This exploit allows you to jailbreak untethered from iOS 8.0 up to iOS 9.3.4. On iOS 9.3.6 and 9.3.5, you need to make it untethered yourself. It will be tethered at first. So let's get started. This will take up to 12 tries and you need to be patient. So go to Safari, go to this URL here, carbon.scp.lol. We need to click run. And if the page refreshes or the device reboots, it may have not jailbroken. We need to be patient. Let's try to install certificates. Now we can click install. There we go, done. Let's click run again. Yes, we have hope. It restarted. Yes, there it is. We have Cydia. And now let's make it untethered. So let's wait for Cydia to reload. Complete upgrade. Confirm. Return to Cydia. Now we can go to search and search for iOS Untether and click install and confirm. Now we can reboot the device. There we go. And as you can see, Cydia is here and it is fully untethered. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe and I will catch you in the next one.